Hola, estudiantes. This verb is to review how to conjugate in the present tense. For this video and in class, I'm going to use the following chart when I give verb conjugations. And I will always put the same subject in the same spot. Yo, which means I. Tú, which means you. Él, he. Ella, she. Usted, you, but formal. Nosotros and nosotras, we, masculine and feminine. Vosotros, y'all, masculine, feminine. Ellos, they. Ellas, they, female. And then ustedes, you guys, or you plural. So the present tense endings of regular verbs, if the verb ends in AR, your endings are going to be o, as, a, amos, ais, an. Your ER endings are going to be o, es, e, emos, eis, en. And your IR endings are going to be o, es, e, imos, is, en. So if I was conjugating the verb hablar, my conjugations would be yo hablo, tú hablas, usted, él, or ella habla, nosotros o nosotras hablamos, vosotros o vosotras habláis, ellos, ellas, or ustedes hablan. For ER verbs like comer, your conjugations would be yo como, tú comes, usted, él, or ella come, nosotros comemos, vosotros coméis, and ellos, ellas, or ustedes comen. And let's do vivir for an IR example. Yo vivo, tú vives, usted, él, ella vive, nosotros vivimos, vosotros vivís, and ellos, ellas, and ustedes viven. Please note that the ER and the IR have almost the same chart, except for the nosotros and the vosotros form. Now for some irregular verbs, starting with the verb ir. Ir means to go. So I go would be voy, you go would be vas, he goes, va, or you go. We go, vamos, y'all go, vais. And then they go, or you guys go, van. The verb dar is also irregular. Dar means to give. Yo doy, tú das, usted, él, ella da, nosotros damos, vosotros dais, ellos dan. And then the verb estar, which means to be. Yo estoy, tú estás, usted, él, ella está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos, ustedes están. What makes this irregular is that there's accents on 4 of the 6 forms. And one more irregular verb, ser, which also means to be. Pretty similar to ir. Yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ustedes, ellos, ellas son. Here are some more irregular verbs where just the yo is irregular and all the other forms are normal. So since these are all ER or IR verbs, if you're not doing the yo form, you'll be using these endings. But if you are doing the yo form, then the yo form is irregular. These first 4 all go in the yo. Hacer, which means to do or to make. If I wanted to say I do or I make, hago. Poner, which means to put or to place, I put, pongo. Traer, which means to bring. If I want to say I bring, traigo. Salir, which means to leave, to exit. If I want to say I exit or I leave, salgo. So these first 4 go in the yo. And then these 4, saber, which means to know. If I want to say I know, yo sé. And these next 3 all go in the yo form. Conocer, which also means to know, conozco. Producir, to produce. If I want to say I produce, produzco. And lastly, conducir, which means to drive. If I want to say I drive, I say conduzco. And that is a review of present tense verbs, some regulars and some irregulars.